People ask me, what do I use for my tools? I'm going to be showing off my tools every now and then. But one of my favorite, actually I'm just sort of retiring. I've been using this for like 5 years. So I just got a brand new one, the same thing. What I really like for my everyday rekey kit. When I go to the job site, I just take the little lab kit, you know, the 005, 003. That's another story into itself. I prefer the 005. So that's I take my lab kit. In my tool case, I have a little lab kit, and I have this DeWALT case. And inside, and I haven't found anything better than this so far. I've tried different things. So this is just inexpensive kit. It's under $10, find them on sale. Okay, inside my little kit is my tweezers with the little special tweezers. I have a couple of followers, depending on what lock I'm working on, different ends on them. This is just the easy one, piece of brass. I have my end cap removal tool, the Pickle, the Kwikset cylinder removal tool. Some people call it the Pickle. Of course, I have my Smart Key force tool. On the other side, I have my little pokey doohickey, sometimes for the end cap spring. Oh, of course, I have extra shims. I have dental pick. Guess I got to remove a broken key. I have an entire broken key extractor set. This is just something quick in the box. So there's this is probably one of the best tools going. It's a Peterson, and it's the spiral broken key extractor. This is fantastic. And of course the classic hook pick. I just throw in for the fun of it, my favorite pick. And my lipstick's is not in this kit, but this is my rotary files. So if I got to do sticking door and it's the strike plate or whatever, I just grind it out with that. You've seen some of my other videos on that. This is my daily carry. It's in my tool kit, or my tool case. I got all this, of course my lab pin kit, but I have all this, and it's all just compactly inside this case, and I've never found anything better so far to use. I've been tried different things over the years. This is my favorite. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. This is my favorite little tools for doing my daily rekeys. It's my DeWALT case. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more fun videos coming up. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.